Unraveling the meaning of woven tale. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating English phrase, woven tale. It's a phrase that carries rich imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. Firstly, let's break down the word woven. Woven is the past participle of weave, which means to interlace long threads or yarns to form fabric or a tapestry. The act of weaving creates a complex, interconnected piece, where each thread is essential to the whole. In a metaphorical sense, to weave a tale is to create a story where different threads represent different story elements or events. Now, let's explore the word tale. A tale is a story, often one that's imaginative or narrates exciting events. When we hear the word tale, we might think of fairy tales or folk tales, stories that have been passed down through generations, often with a moral or lesson. Combining the two, woven tale implies a story that has been carefully crafted, with each event and character intricately interlaced to create a coherent and compelling narrative. It suggests that the story is as complex and beautiful as a piece of woven fabric, with each thread or detail contributing to the overall piece. Woven tale isn't a common everyday expression, but it's used to describe stories with depth and complexity, or when talking about storytelling. For example, a novelist might be praised for their ability to create a richly woven tale. I hope you've enjoyed unraveling the meaning of woven tale with me. It's a beautiful phrase that conveys the artistry behind storytelling. Keep practicing your English and perhaps one day, you'll weave your own tales. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.